The whole forest area of Finland is surveyed by aerial laser scanning every 5 to 10 years. To calibrate the results of the aerial surveys, accurate reference data of individual tree locations, species and trunk volume is needed from smaller test fields. Measuring the trees manually is accurate but costly and slow. Our scientists are working on developing mobile laser scanning methods for fast and accurate data collection. This time we put a laser scanner on a drone to fly above and inside the forests. The results were promising. The accuracy of the measurement is equal to the manual methods. For a standard-sized test field, measuring the trees manually took 2 to 4 hours for 2 people. Our drone did the same job in 10 minutes.